The new DJI Mini 3 drone features a professional 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that can deliver incredible 4K footage at 30 frames per second, as well as crisp 12-megapixel images through the use of its 3-axis stabilized gimbal. The camera sports a 24mm lens with an f1.7 aperture. A large 82-degree field of view helps you capture nice wide landscape shots without distortion. The Mini 3 also allows you to zoom up to 4 times while recording 1080p content and 2 times in 4K mode, so you'll never miss a detail. Another unique upgrade the Mini 3 includes is the ability to flip the screen vertically to capture content in portrait mode, giving you a completely new perspective. Other innovations include a new HDR on-chip technology that can automatically switch between HDR adjustment modes to accommodate different levels of light while recording. Unlike other drones that have a fixed HDR profile, this new tech can reduce flaring in bright environments and switch to dark mode to bring out the highlights and lower light settings. The drone includes the latest DJI O2 transmission technology that ensures a rock-solid connection up to 10 kilometers away, but should only be flown as far as you can constantly maintain a visual line of sight for the drone. The standard 2453 mAh batteries provide a full 38 minutes of flight on a single charge. There is also a larger Plus battery available with a capacity of 3,850 mAh that can deliver an outstanding 51 minutes of flight time. Keep in mind that the larger Plus battery will put the Mini 3 above the 249-gram weight limit. Both batteries are interchangeable and can be quick charged with a standard 30-watt QC charger when needed. The Mini 3 also has improved flight characteristics over previous generations, which allow it to be flown in level 5 winds up to 10.7 meters per second. With one-button takeoff and landing, rock-solid GPS, Galileo, and GLONASS positioning, and automated return to home, the Mini 3 always knows where it is in the air and can find its way back to its takeoff point to land safely if needed. The updated DJI Fly application includes 5 automated quick-shot modes for the Mini 3, including Droney, Rocket, Circle, Boomerang, and Helix that will guide the drone through a set of pre-programmed flight patterns to make capturing the perfect shot easier for new flyers. You can use the panorama feature to create a stunning larger image in either 180-degree format, 3x3, or spherical to help you quickly capture the moment in full detail for posting to your favorite social media page. There are 2 options available for controlling the Mini 3. You can use the familiar RCN1 controller introduced with the Mini 2 drone, or an upgraded DJI RC controller is available with an integrated color display. This controller provides a full 720 HD video feed and includes the upgraded 4-antenna system for a rock-solid connection to your drone. This new controller eliminates the need to connect your phone or tablet to fly and allows you to simply power up and start flying. The new DJI Mini 3 is available in 3 different product versions. You can start with just the DJI Mini 3 as a standalone with no remote controller included. You can also find the product as the DJI Mini 3 plus the RCN1 standard controller package, or you can find the DJI Mini 3 plus the brand new DJI RC controller. Both combo offerings are also available in a Fly More combination that includes 2 additional batteries, a charging hub, 3 spare propellers, and a durable carrying case. And these Fly More combinations are available with the standard battery or the Plus battery.